Hello, this is John Boguslaw with eXp Realty, and this video is going to discuss the Greater Philadelphia region in July 2023. We just got the numbers in, and it's interesting to delve into. So, the big story continues to be low inventory. If you had to sum up the market today in two words, that's it, low inventory. You don't have to go too far beyond that to sum it up. But what's interesting is to delve into it deeper, to look more at the numbers to see if we can see any indication of where things are trending. So closed sales continue to be way down year over year. So down 23.5%. They were down 21% last month. Median sale price has continued to climb. It's up to 5.4% now, even with the interest rates climbing to numbers that are on the high side. It's not even like a historic, like we used to be able to say, like historically, these numbers aren't anything crazy. And historically, they're not that crazy, but to have them continue to climb with the median sale price continuing to climb at a substantial rate. So we're up 5.4% year over year at this point. Last month, it was up 4.2%. So still trending upward. Days on market is flat, 9 days on market. If that had changed a little bit, one day either way, it wouldn't make too big of a difference. Very short times on market for home, very low inventory. New pending sales are down 18.2%. New are down 27%. Now, last month they were down 32%. So we have more homes coming on the market by a small margin, but the number of active listings, the number of homes that are active on the MLS, if we pull it up right now that a buyer could feasibly go and see, the number of those homes is down 20% year over year, whereas last month, the number of active listings was only down 15% year over year. So we're actually kind of trending in the wrong direction with that, unfortunately. Now, months of supply, it's so low, 1.6%, 1.61%. It's up 6%, which, 6% sounds meaningful, but it's so low that even if it jumped up 50%, it wouldn't really tell us too much. And showings, this is where things get a little interesting and why I really like to take a look at the numbers. So you can see that the number of active listings is down 20% year over year. The number of new fresh listings is down 27% year over year, but the number of showings is only down 13%. So what that tells us is there's still a lot of buyers out there who are really excited, really motivated. They have goals. People need a place to live. So as a result of that, they're still really actively looking for houses. The number of showings is not down as much as we would expect, especially given the fewer number of new listings. And if we compare the July numbers to the June numbers, the June numbers were actually down 20% year over year. The July numbers are only down 13.8% year over year. So a lot of buyers are down the shore, but certainly not all of them. Now, if we delve deeper into the county numbers, this is where a couple of things jump out to me. So Bucks County, as far as closed sales, down 15% year over year. Chester County down 24%. Montgomery County down 24%. Philadelphia County down 18%. Now, median sale price. So Bucks County has climbed by 2.9%. Chester County has climbed by 5.1%. Montgomery County has climbed by 5.7%. And something that jumps out to me about this one, especially as it relates to the June numbers, is Philadelphia County is up 1.8%, whereas in June of last year, or June of last month rather, they were down by 6.4%. And sometimes things happen as far as, if several new construction projects come online at the same time, things can happen that way. But that's a piece. And the main thing I like to take away from those Philadelphia numbers is that it has a significant effect on the Philadelphia metro numbers just because so many sales happen in Philadelphia County. If we looked at the closed sales, Philadelphia County had 1,100 closed sales, whereas, Bucks County 558, Montgomery County is at 751, so about half of Philadelphia County, and then Chester 491. So Philadelphia has an outsized effect on the market as a whole, and that's a piece of why the numbers for Philadelphia metro area have climbed by 5.4%. Last month it was up 4.2%. So it continues to be very low inventory market. Like I said, if you have to sum it up in two words, that's it, low inventory. Still a very strong seller's market. That said, there are opportunities out there for buyers. We're not seeing any indication of any radical changes. Nobody's predicting that interest rates are going to plummet or anything like that. It's looking like that this is going to be the near future at least. So certainly, if you have any questions as far as selling, capitalizing on the market, or buying, looking for an opportunity, I always talk about the economy at large and your own personal economy. It's much more, it's much easier to predict your personal economy as opposed to the economy at large. You have a much better feel for where you're going to be in a year than where the economy is going to be in a year and where you'd like to be in a year and where you'd like for the economy to be in a year. You have a better idea of for that micro level. So certainly if you have any questions about the market, anything I can help with, always feel free to reach out and hope you have a great day.